This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open the editor and create a new level. First, choose the playfield size and orientation so everything scales correctly. Once done, enable Snap or the grid at 1/16 or 1/8 to keep blocks aligned. You then place the start trigger and lay a simple ground path to confirm movement mechanics. Make sure to test a short run now so you detect major spacing or jump issues early, which saves time during detailed design. You build the core by placing the obstacles that define player decisions, add spikes and jump pads for risk and moving platforms to create timing windows. Then synchronize critical interactions to the music or to consistent measured distances, so jumps feel natural. You should also employ triggers and special objects, portals, speed modifiers, gravity changes to vary gameplay. Once placed, repeatedly test short sections and tweak spacing. Small changes to object timing dramatically affect difficulty and flow. You finalize the level by running full playthroughs and addressing collisions, stray objects, and inconsistent timing. Make performance adjustments, lower decorative object density and optimize layers so the frame rate stays steady. When satisfied, save incremental backups and fill in the level description and difficulty tags before publishing or exporting. If something breaks after publishing, revert to the last saved backup, isolate the problem section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.